Netflix game controller app. So connect to Netflix to play. Play games on your TV, computer, browser with the Netflix game controller. This app allows you to play games on Netflix using your phone or mobile device's game controller. The Netflix game controller app is available to everyone. Still in beta and depending on your device type, might not be supported. So yeah, I'm downloading it. It doesn't require any iOS 18 or 25 or so. And then you can just connect to Netflix like that. Don't trust other reviews. This app is so good you can play with friends and no malfunction when you're playing it easy. It's not that complicated. What a great idea. To use the controller, start a game on Netflix and use the button below to scan the QR code on the screen. Games are available on your TV or computer. So yeah, just you need to have Netflix subscription. Find games on Netflix and then just scan with this console. It should be good. Play games. Play game button. And that's the idea. Yeah, you can see all of the nice little FAQ section. Android phone and tablet. Choose or search for the game you want to play. Select play game button. Open your iPhone or iPad's camera and scan the QR code on your TV screen. And that's what it is.